Recession fears are rising, interest rates are high, inflation is sticky, and you're wondering, is your dividend ETF safe? More specifically, is SCHD safe in a recession? Let's break it down. Part 1. What is SCHD? SCHD is the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. It invests in high-quality, U.S.-based companies with consistent dividend payments. Think of it as a basket of mature, stable businesses that prioritize paying shareholders. Part 2. SCHD historical performance. Let's take a look at the track record. During the COVID crash of 2020, SCHD saw a drop of about 33%. While that's not ideal, it still performed better than the S&P 500. Fast forward to the 2022 bear market, and SCHD held up even better, falling just around 10 to 12%, while tech-heavy indexes plummeted over 20%. So why the difference? It's because SCHD leans on sectors that are more resilient during recessions, offering better protection during tough times. Part 3. SCHD defensive nature. SCHD has a smart and defensive setup that helps it hold up better during recessions. It focuses heavily on sectors that tend to stay strong even when the economy slows down. For example, consumer staples like food, household goods, and toiletries, these are things people continue buying no matter what. Healthcare is another key sector. Demand for medical care doesn't drop just because the market does. SCHD also includes major players in industrials and energy companies that often have the scale and resources to weather economic storms. Just as important as what SCHD avoids, it has very little exposure to risky tech stocks or unprofitable growth companies, the types of businesses that often get hit hardest during a downturn. This sector balance makes SCHD a more stable and less volatile option when markets get shaky. Part 4. SCHD quality filters. SCHD doesn't just chase high dividend yields. To be included in the fund, companies must meet strict quality requirements. First, they need a solid 10-year history of consistently paying dividends. That shows long-term reliability. Second, they must have a strong return on equity, a key indicator of profitability and financial efficiency. Third, SCHD looks for companies with low debt levels and steady, dependable cash flow. These filters act as a built-in layer of quality control, helping to protect your investment, especially when the economy hits a rough patch. So, is SCHD safe in a recession? While no ETF is completely bulletproof, SCHD is built like a dividend fortress. It offers lower drawdowns, meaning it tends to lose less value during market dips. It's also concentrated in defensive sectors like healthcare and consumer staples, which are more resilient in tough times. Plus, SCHD's strict quality filters ensure the companies in the fund remain strong even in challenging economic conditions. And let's not forget, it provides consistent income even when the market is in panic mode. If you're investing for the long term, SCHD stands as a solid, reliable choice, especially when the economy gets rocky. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more smart investing breakdowns like this.